Today is April 11th, 2025, and in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you my thoughts on VOO as well as SPY. Both, again, are going to be the S&P 500, and I have the 200 daily moving average here set up as well. So again, VOO here, we'll start off with VOO. 488 is the current price. If you want to compare this all the way up to the 200 daily moving average, I think in the next couple of weeks here, possibly even a couple of days, there is going to be this recovery towards the 200 daily moving average, and that's a 7% move. Most people look for a move like this for like a year. It's typically about 10% on average per year, right? This is about to be a move, a 7% recovery within the next couple of days or weeks. And so I really think the current price here at 488 is a dip opportunity. Of course, there is that possibility that we dip down below as well, back down to 442, but I'm not looking to time the bottom of the market, and just know that the overall market can drastically change in terms of reversing back up and down, right? The sentiment overall and in the short term can change very fast. But if you're looking at this from a long-term point of view, you zoom out to the weekly chart, we always make new all-time highs. And so as a new investor or a long-term investor, I really want to reiterate that this is a buying opportunity. In my opinion, this is a dip opportunity, right? I'm not forcing anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but I am sharing that in my personal opinion. I do think the all-time high at 561 is going to be retested. And look at the move there from our current price all the way to 561 or 562 there. That is going to be close to a 15% move, and this could occur again within the next couple of months here. And again, a lot of people look for 10% within a year, or on average a year, right? This is going to be a 14 or 15% recovery. And again, this dip opportunity is looking to be really good here in my personal opinion, all right? Let's go ahead and take a look at SPY as well. And again, 200 daily moving average here is going to be right around 570. If you want to compare the current price here from 530 all the way to 570 there, that's going to be a 7.5% move towards the top side. This is going to be a recovery to watch out for in the next couple of weeks. With the all-time high at 611, I do think that is going to be tested here within 1 to 2 years. It could be a lot sooner as well. Who knows? The next couple of months here, we could see both VOO and SPY retest its all-time high. And again, that's going to be a 15% move, 15% recovery towards the top side. And you might be wondering, wow, that's going to be impossible. You know, within 2025, we're not going to see those levels be tested. Just look at what happened today, or even a couple of days ago. I mean, we had a big move here. This was quite crazy. And that was like a 12, that was pretty much above a 10% move in a single day. So knowing that that could happen, honestly, in the overall market, anything could happen right now in terms of a reversal back up towards the top side. So I wouldn't be waiting to buy the bottom. I already think that on the daily chart, this is a buying opportunity, especially while we are below the 200 daily moving average, right? And I know we've been seeing a lot of volatility and headwinds towards the downside here for SPY, S&P 500, and VOO as well. But again, I'm reiterating, this is a dip opportunity. I would caution on just reading the news too much and try to cancel out some of the noise, knowing that technically this is a dip opportunity, right? Zoom out when you're in doubt. Go out to the weekly chart. Know that these dips always get bought back up, and that honestly, even below the 200 daily moving average, I would look to add a bigger position here for both VOO and SPY. And if we do break above the 200 daily moving average, I still wouldn't mind adding small positions. I know a lot of long-term investors that dollar cost average for both the VOO or SPY or S&P 500 in general. Still dollar cost average, but I'm just saying that this is probably one of the times where you might want to be looking to add more, and that's just my personal opinion again, okay? Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments and what your favorite stocks are. Are you guys buying stocks or ETFs? And again, if you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord. Link on the right there, QR code for Discord, and then also QR code for Patreon on the right side. Discord is going to be free to join. There's over 32,000 people there, and a lot of people talking about long-term investing there, as well as short-term investing, or short-term trading, I should say. We've got the links for both Discord and Patreon down below in the description as well. And if you are looking for our live entries and exits, we do have a 90% off permanent discount promotion going on right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary with Bullish Raid. Live entries and exits on stocks and options, including Mag 7 there. If that's something you're interested in, highly recommend joining. Again, Patreon link down below in the description. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for the S&P 500.